Hey my YouTube friends and family, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some peanut porridge. This is like one of my favorite porridge. Thank you all so much for clicking on my video. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back, and to my new subscribers, thank you and welcome. All right, let's get straight into the video. So this is the peanut that I bought. I bought this in Walmart and it's not as red as our Jamaican peanut, but nevertheless, I have here condensed milk, mixed spice, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder. I have my cinnamon stick, my vanilla, salt, and my sugar. And the sugar, depending on the amount of condensed milk that you're using, you may not need any sugar. It's all up to you. And of course, I'm going to be using some coconut milk because I like coconut milk in my porridge. However, peanut, produce its own milk. You don't have to use any coconut milk if you don't want to. So right here I have my water boiling. I'm going to add my salt, and I'm also going to add a cinnamon stick to my water so that it can add some flavor to my water before I add my peanuts. I will leave all the items that I'm using in my description box. Right here I have 2 cups of coconut milk, and I'm going to use this to blend out my peanuts. So I selected the smoothie option on the blender. I wanted it to be pureed, but I wanted to be able to taste the grains of the peanuts. Like I want it to be chopped up, but not like completely smooth out, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So now I am going to go over to the stove and add this to my boiling water, and I'm going to stir this constantly for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to put my stove down to medium heat and allow it to cook. And while it is cooking, I'm gonna come over and like occasionally stir it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of my pot. And then after 30 minutes, I'm gonna go in and add my spices. So now I am going to add some more cinnamon powder. Even though I have the cinnamon stick in there, I'm just going to spice it up more with some more cinnamon powder, my nutmeg powder, and my mixed spice, and also my vanilla. And I'm also going to go in with my condensed milk. And as I said before, I will leave everything in the description box, the amount that I'm using, and I use 1 pack of peanut to get this amount of porridge. So now I'm gonna add my sugar, and it all depending on your taste, amount of sugar that you want to add in there. And I have in here is 2 tablespoons of flour, and I mix it out with some water just to create a paste to thicken my porridge. And I'm gonna allow this to cook on low heat now for another 30 minutes. So guys, peanut is easily clumped up, so during that last 30 minutes I still have to go through and stir it, so that it can be evenly distributed throughout the liquid, and yeah, everything can be nice and creamy at the end. So this is the grand finale. As you can see, it's nice and rich and thick, and I did enjoy this porridge. I am going to pour out a bowl now so that I can show you guys. And I usually have this every morning on my way to work. Yes, I used to travel to Hanover every morning to work, and I used to pass through Grangeville, and I would stop at the porridge man and buy my porridge, and he will serve me with some cinnamon crackers. So I serve myself a bowl with some cinnamon crackers because I used to enjoy it. Alright, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you are subscribed to my channel. If not, please go ahead and do so, and please share this video if you can. Thank you so much, and you can have this for your lovely Easter breakfast as well. So have a happy Easter guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.